In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. If you want to clean up your gallery app from photos in the fastest way possible, here's how to do it. Firstly, open Gallery app. Then tap on Pictures or Albums at the bottom and hold one you wanna get rid of. Now to select multiple right away from chosen section, in my case today, click on this icon right next to it. To pick all of your photos from this page, click on All at the top left corner. Either way, to keep some of your photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from albums, you need to pick an album. Hold one of your photos and click on this icon at the top left corner right away. Then do exactly the same as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!